So first I'm gonna outline my face in a sense that we basically have a frame for this two people who are just so in love and they decided to be on my face. This is gonna be so much fun. I can't wait. So I'm gonna be looking at the mirror a lot because I'm trying to save a bit of time. Oh, okay. So if you were looking this way, your eyebrows would just be here at the corner, and then your eye would just go in like that. Gosh, I hope this comes out right. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be a little bit of space. I think outlining takes most of my time. Okay, because this side of my eye I'm gonna be doing proper makeup for the lady. Okay, and then next I will have to base. Just blend within the eye. I'm not gonna do a hectic eyeshadow because this is for the artwork and not the view. It's a matte shade, so we kinda putting it all around the crease. Winging it out a bit. My skin, you can tell that I've already primed and prepped my skin, so I'm going with a really light foundation on my girl's side. Just think of this as face paint. You don't really have to match your skin. You can literally be a white person if you want, you know? Using a baby sponge to apply. But if this is a full coverage, you guys, if you need more payoff, you can use a brush and just sink all that beautiful gosh, all that into your skin. Yeah. To the forehead. Whoops. So you can use your mini brush if you don't trust yourself next to your eyebrows. There we go. So I'm gonna use this as a little bit of contour for Miguel, you know. she's contoured, of course. And I've been using a sponge because I'm using full coverage, everything. So I want everything to blend seamlessly together. And yeah. If you have oily skin, then maybe you might need to bake. So yeah, they don't shine and you look like you have a half eyebrow because of the light. Nobody needs that. Set this side as well. So you can first use this method before you bake. Just set your whole face, and then after you can pack your product in. This is one of the struggles of using your front camera. I keep on looking at the phone and not on your camera. Sorry about that, guys. This takes a bit of getting used to. This is not gonna work. Yeah, we are using this brush. So I'm kind of creating that through shadowing. Yes. So it's not too golden, it's not too, you know, you don't look yellow on pictures. Let me outline the whole thing. thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna be doing some more. Comment, like, subscribe to this channel, and please let me know how I did. I want to know what other looks that you guys want me to do more of this creative stuff. So yes, if you want to follow me on my handles, you will check me at makeupby_passionfruit. You can check me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Alright, that's it for me, guys. Cheers.